Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is understanding Bluetooth. So let's get started. Bluetooth is a technology we interact with almost every day. It allows different gadgets such as your smartphone, headphones, computer, or tablet to communicate with each other without cables. However, most people rarely consider how it works, the range of its operation, or the potential risk associated with its usage. To understand the dynamics of Bluetooth and how it fits into your daily lives, it is essential to look at its definition, operation, range, security, and potential alternatives. Understanding Bluetooth and its operation. Bluetooth technology is a wireless communication standard that connects devices over short distances, typically defined by the IEEE 802.15 standards, and operates at the 2.4 GHz frequency. The 2.4 GHz frequency is a globally accepted band for wireless communication, enabling Bluetooth devices to operate universally. Pairing devices is a fundamental concept in Bluetooth technology. Bluetooth connections occur between two paired devices, meaning that these devices have been synced to recognize each other and communicate effectively. This pairing can be achieved using a default pair code or a random 8-character code generated during the pairing process. Consider the scenario where you have recently purchased a new set of wireless headphones equipped with Bluetooth technology. To integrate them seamlessly with your smartphone, the initial step involves pairing the two devices. Typically, you initiate the process by enabling Bluetooth on your smartphone and ensuring its visibility to the nearby devices. Subsequently, you activate the Bluetooth functionality on your headphones, prompting them to scan for available nearby devices. Once your headphones successfully identify your smartphone, a connection request is generated, and your smartphone may display a pairing prompt. Unlike older systems that required manual code entry, modern Bluetooth devices often employ secure pairing methods such as Bluetooth Low Energy or Near Field Communication for a more convenient and secure connection. Upon confirming the pairing request on your smartphone, the devices establish a secure wireless link enabling them to communicate effortlessly. Bluetooth range. The range of Bluetooth communication can vary significantly, but it generally depends on the power level of the device's antenna. The standard Bluetooth range extends up to 100 meters, that is about 328 feet. However, the most commonly observed range is about 10 meters, roughly that is 33 feet, mainly because most Bluetooth devices like smartphones, tablets, and headphones are designed to operate within this limit to conserve power. To illustrate this, consider using your Bluetooth speakers in your home. You might notice that if your phone is in the same room as the speakers, the connection remains stable. But as you move away, let's say to another room or upstairs, the quality of the signal may begin to degrade, resulting in intermittent sound or complete disconnection. This is due to the limit in the Bluetooth range. Bluetooth security concerns. Although Bluetooth technology provides convenience and ease of use, it is susceptible to several security threats. These include blue sniffing, blue smacking, blue jacking, blue snuffing, and blue bugging. These are all forms of unauthorized access or attacks on Bluetooth-enabled devices, exploiting the vulnerabilities in the Bluetooth connection. Blue sniffing, for instance, involves detecting Bluetooth devices in discoverable mode. An attacker might use this method to identify potential targets. Blue jacking involves sending unsolicited message to a Bluetooth device, while blue snuffing allows unauthorized access to information from a Bluetooth device. Blue bugging takes blue snuffing a step further, allowing an attacker to control a device remotely. The issue of encryption in Bluetooth. By default, most Bluetooth communication are plain text. This means that if an attacker intercepts the communication, they can read it without needing any form of decryption. In certain specialized scenarios, encryption can be applied with specialized transmitters and peripherals. However, even with this encryption, it only extends to the Bluetooth transmitter or receiver devices on each end of the signal. The data could still be intercepted mid-transmission and decrypted. Given these security issues, it's generally not advisable to use Bluetooth for sensitive or confidential transactions. And if you have to send sensitive information such as credit card details or personal identification number, using encrypted apps or services over secure Wi-Fi or cellular network is a safer alternative. In conclusion, Bluetooth technology is an incredible tool for wireless communication, providing convenience in connecting various devices. However, like any technology, it is not without its risks. Therefore, while enjoying the benefits of Bluetooth, it is crucial to be aware of its range and security limitations. Avoid sharing sensitive information over Bluetooth. Ensure your devices are not always in discoverable mode when not in use, and regularly update your device software to benefit from the latest security patches. By understanding these aspects of Bluetooth, we can ensure a safer and more effective use of this remarkable technology. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website. And don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos, and if you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we will try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.